Hey team, so I'm just going to go over a little brief how-to video on repairing the cycle shoe or cages here. So first thing, if it's completely off or maybe it's installed incorrectly or if anything's wrong with it, this is how you can solve it and fix the problem. So first we're going to start with the clip is going to be on the outside. Okay, so we have holes on the top and then also in the bottom right here. So the plastic cage is going to be on top, clip is on the outside. So I'm going to thread it through the top. So going to be a little bit frayed, so sometimes it's a little bit harder. So you're going to thread it through one side. And then you'll thread it through the other hole. Hopefully you're able to see this. Okay, so once we have it threaded through the top piece, we're going to then thread it through the bottom piece. And as you can see, there's those holes on the bottom pieces. This is not the best camera angle, so I'm sorry. Okay, so our loose piece that's closest to the bike, okay, so we did it on the top, we have a clip on the outside and then string on the inside. We're gonna then thread it through the bottom, okay, there's a hole there, and I'm gonna keep pulling and then thread it through the other hole. Okay, so now we can see that we're starting to have a little cage there. So now we have our clip on the outside and then a loose piece on the outside as well. Okay, and you might just need to rework them around. Then here, we're going to thread it through. You're gonna open the clamp first by just pressing on the back part, open it up, and then thread it through. There's a little circular thing, you're gonna thread it through that and then through the top piece and pull it. And then how you can check if you did this right is just pull on the bottom piece and it shouldn't move. And then just that top piece is gonna go right between, okay? And so how people can maneuver this is if they just open the clamp and space it out or open it and keep it shorter. So you should be able to pull up to tighten it. But if you pulled on the bottom, so like if somebody had their shoe in here and tried to pull up, it wouldn't move. And that's how you solve a messed up shoe cage. I hope that helps. And if you have any instances where this comes up in class, hopefully this helps you solve it in class.